Fish? Wow, small fish. Wow. Dami namang wow. Ayun o, fish. Sa kabila, dun kayo.
Daming bata, makapit. Magkaroon tayo ng mga bata. Kuhin lang yan, kuhin.
Ganyan yung sa house, di ba? Koi fish.
Dami oh. Ano? Hi? You say hi? What's that, Ryan? Fish? Right, what's that? Wow! Saan yung fish? Dali, turo mo.
Let's go!
Nag-swim sila, dali. Let's go!
Ay, pura tayo dito. Wow!
Dito tayo sa gitna para maliwanag.
Anak, mabaliwan ka naman. Baka share mo pa. Ako lang dito.
Ano?
Ay, nagdagas pala naman.
Ayaw. Right! Hold the fish. No, touch the fish. Dali, touch mo. Touch mo sa ganyan si Daddy. Tignan mo si Daddy. Oh. Oh, dali, ikaw naman daw. You touch the fish. Oh.
That's dirty ata.
Isa pa.
Ayun na, may fish.
Oh, tignan mo si Kuya. Oh. You touch the fish.
Let's go. Don't like anak. Natakot naman yan. Sige, Jordan. Ben.
Penguins, ayun, nagsiswim siya, oh. Oh. Yung call mo, dali, call mo yung penguins. Oh, diba? Yung penguins, eh.
You can do it, Daniel! Go, Daniel! 5 minutes of 10 forward! I have a question for you.
Hello!
What a beautiful
Clap po.
Good day, which are shaped like a bird's beak. See those? That term in fact can also be translated as bigfoot, since their flippers do look somewhat like beaks. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they sweep from place to place, marching like rats. And you know, they're often mistaken as seals because they look very and below the water surface. Sea lions like any marine mammals can see well for above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they have brown skills to shores, flat rocky cliffs like books, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities with front flippers. Now let's find their bodies functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal speed. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Vincent and Trainer Mark.
Are you happy?
But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed of 2
Show your happy face here.
25 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That is so fast. How about our applause for Sandra?
Wow, ang galing
The
na mag-swim.
sexy, yes.
Ang galing mag-swim.
The water ballet twisted train. Wow, what a beautiful twisting Sandra. And around the world we go. Wow.